In this video I will show you step by step how you can fix charging not available on your iPhone and liquid has been detected in the connector. So what we want to do first of all is we want to go over to settings. We want to find and locate our battery setting, click on this, and then once you come into this right here, what you need to do first of all is you want to enable low power mode. Enable this, click on continue, and then from here what you want to do now is go down and then select charging. Now once we select charging, you want to disable optimized battery charging, and you also want to go ahead and turn down the charge limit to 80%. Now once you do these two things, you will then need to reset your phone, so turn the phone off, turn it back on, and then try to start charging your phone again. This is one thing that worked for me. If this doesn't work, the alternative that you do have is to use wireless charging. So get a wireless charging power bank or find some way where you can use wireless charging for free. And wireless charging should always work even if there is moisture or liquid detected in the charger connector. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix charging not available on your iPhone.